Right. Say you're wanting to make like a glacier kind of thing here, and you want this to have reflectivity. Normally, what you would do if you're using non-PBR is go down to the material for the object, turn the reflection to like level, and put a reflection map in here, which the reflection map is just a grayscaled version of the color map. But here's the problem: you don't want everything reflecting. You just maybe want the ground to reflect like it's ice. So what you do, you go into your photo editor and you load uh, your image. That's your reflection map, which, like I said, it is just basically the color map, just um, as a grayscale. Add an alpha channel and erase where you do not want the reflections. Now, I know I normally say if you're using DDS format, when you export, if it has a transparency, to use the BC3 compression type, but in this case you will not, if you're saving as a DDS anyway. See, I erased the mountain part, but left the road part, well, I guess the part the glacier slides on. So what I'm going to do now is export as and overwrite the DDS for that other map. And as you'll see here, I'll use BC1 compression, generate bitmaps, export, swap back to the game, and you'll see now it just has the reflective properties where I want it. I don't know how much I want on there. I'm just showing you what you can do. That way you keep the look of the mountain and have the added look of the